Snoring in adult. It can be more serious than you think. I'm Dr. Rekha, an ENT consultant at Pranam Hospital. Snoring is normal, but if it's persistent, can be a serious problem. It can lead to high BP, diabetes, depression, difficulty in concentration. The causes can be increase in weight, especially around the neck, enlarged tonsil, adenoid, nasal septum deviation, polyps in the nose, nasal mass. So what are the warning signs? A disruptive sleep, especially you're choking and getting up in middle of night, then you're having breathing difficulty, you're having lack of concentration, morning headache. You're supposed to consult if you have the above symptoms. Other than that, if your snoring is disturbing you or your partner, do consult.